Hi, my name is Dr. Sarah Gaffin. I'm a professor at the University of Pittsburgh and president of the International Cytokine and Interferon Society, or ICIS. It's my privilege to invite you to attend the 2024 annual meeting of the ICIS, to be held October 20th to 23rd, 2024, in Seoul, Korea. We're excited to announce that this meeting will be joint with the Korean Association of Immunologists and will feature as keynote speaker Dr. Drew Weissman from the University of Pennsylvania, who was co-awarded the 2023 Nobel Prize in Medicine or Physiology. As always, the International Cytokine and Interferon Society meeting will feature many speakers covering the most up-to-date and cutting-edge advances in cytokine and interferon biology, ranging from fundamental basic science to clinical and translational applications, covering diseases such as cancer, autoimmune disease, transplant biology, and many, many more. As always, we have a large number of travel awards, particularly for trainees and junior faculty, but anyone who might need some assistance in attending the conference. We also have a large number of research prizes, again, targeted at trainees, postdocs, graduate students, as well as junior faculty, and ranging to some of the most senior investigators. Please consider applying for these awards or nominating your colleagues. If you need more information, please check out our website at soul.cytokinesociety.org. That's SEOUL.cytokinesociety.org. And we'll see you in Seoul in October.